Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dropping Gem once more. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Tironi, and for today's video we're going to be focusing on how to find an item you would like to sell in your store. So this will be basic research. I've placed in a few tips and tricks in order to find your items smoothly. If you have items at home and you'd like to know basically what price range you should put that item at, this can also help. So let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to be looking for a portable heater. Now there are basically, I would like to say, 3 ways in which you can research an item through eBay in order to find the best supplier in order to resell your item. If you have the item at home, well, that's no problem. You can use this as a means of an average price that you can sell your item at in order to beat out your competitors as well, and so that you can make a profit and not a loss. So we place portable heater here so I can show you guys exactly what I'm speaking about. This. Alright, now once you've placed portable heaters or whatever it is that you're looking for in your search bar, I want you to scroll all the way down until you reach your last column on the left here. You're going to scroll here and you're going to ensure that this is ticked off, which is completed items as well as sold items. So you can have basically an updated list of all the items that were sold. As you can see, they have the sold date here, and also all the items or listings that were completed. Alright, so that's going to be a perk in order to you to have in or optimized data, I would say, for items that were sold. So let's look into one of these items. We're going to open this one first. As you can see, this item's listing has ended, so we're going to go look for another item. Alright guys, alright, we're back to the search page. Let's check this one. We're going to open a few more. And this one. Alright, we'll try this one out as well. Okay. Now as we can see here, this is a space heater. It's portable, it's electric, and it's remote control as well. We can see here that 3 was sold. We also have the photographs, and if you scroll down, we can see basically the description for the item and the specifics. Alright, now the first way in which you can research an item that you would like to sell is by using the title. So what we'll do, we'll copy the title like this. You click on search. Search Google. You can see here it's on Amazon. So we're going to open that listing. And we're going to basically check to see if it's the exact item. That one. Ooh, it's here as well. Alright, we'll work with that 4. Alright, starting with Amazon. Alright, so the first one we opened, this Walmart item, as we can see and compare, it's not this item, so this is out of the list. Our second item, this is not the item either, so this is off the list. And then we have our third item. Here we can see it looks exactly the same with the remote, so it's safe to say that this person has this item from Amazon. However, as you can see, the price range here, it's from 1908 USD, which simply states that it's a used item. And they have the item here as an open box item. If you go down to the description, it's in excellent condition with no wear. So you have a choice. You can either list the item as a used item, or you can list this item as a new item. Having the item listed as a new item therefore means that it won't be at this price, and you're going to have to up your price. So if the price here $59.99, you're going to come to your calculator, the price you paid for the item is going to be $59.99, and the price you're going to want to sell the item for, you decide here, let's say $79.99. We can do probably a 30% increase, or you decide how much profits you want on the items. As you can see, selling at $79.99, you're going to make $9.66. Now that's one way of looking for the item, by the use of a title. Ensure that you go through the specs of the item to ensure it's the same, so as to not cause any confusion when your customer receives the item. The brand is Choose Tech, and the brand here is Choose Tech. Alright guys, so that's using the title. Now let's research the item using the description. Alright, with the use of the description, we're going to use this item. A portable heater once more, one was sold, it's an open box item. We're going to scroll down and we're going to highlight part of the description. Alright, click on search. Alright, so we're going to open this one, the third one, anywhere else on it, here, and here. Alright, so this is the item that we're looking for. This is the image. All right, this is the item. All right, so Amazon, first listing we opened. This is not the item. As you can see, this item is basically square, and it's just different. If you compare, it's very much different. So this is not the item. Our second item, here. Is this oscillating? No, it's not. Does this have an handle? No, it does not. So it's not the item either. This is what we found on Walmart. And safe to say that this is not the item as well. So none of the items that we found through the description is correct. Alright, so we're going to try this again. We're going to use the specs and search, see what we find here. Alright. We're going to open the two Amazon listing. There's one Walmart listing. Okay. The same item open back on Amazon. This is not the item that we're looking for. However, this item here looks a bit like our item we're looking for. Let's compare. Do not cover. 5 panels. 5 panels. Alright, so this is the item. Let's check Walmart. And here we can find the item as well. Now you can see it's the same item on Amazon and on Walmart. However, the private labeler here is Give Best, and the private label here is Trust Tech Store. Alright, they have it for $35.99 and they have it for $45.89. The customer sells this an open box item at $31.88. So you can sell this item as brand new, not an open box item. Our cheapest price that we found with is $35.99. So $35.99. You're going to sell it at, let's say, $49.99. That looks like a good enough price. Your profit is going to be $7.43. You decide how many profits you want or what percentage you want, and we can see that this is a profitable item if sold as brand new. Alright, let's check or research the item using the item number, or to be more specific, the ISBN, the manufacturer part number, or the EIN. Let's try researching the item using one of those numbers. Alright, so this is the item we're going to use to research the manufacturer part numbers. You can see this is the item we're looking for. It's sold brand new, 24 was sold. We're going to come down to the description, and here we have the manufacturer part number. So you're going to highlight that number and you're going to click on search. They also have a UPC. So let's see what pops up using that as well. Okay, so this is using the manufacturer part number. Let's open a few of these items to see what pops up. Alright, so this is what happened. On opening the manufacturer part number, I realized that the manufacturer part number basically for this item is incorrect. Why? Because basically hard drives were popping up. A hard drive there, there's another hard drive here, another one here, and as well here. So basically the manufacturing part number for that item was incorrect. Let's try and see if the UPC will give us anything. If not, the specs on this item is basically incorrect. Let's try the UPC. We tried the UPC and 2 listings popped up. Let's try here. This is basically going to take us back to the item that we had open here, but for clarification's sake, I'll include it. For clarification, it opened back the exact item from the same customer. So let's see the other item. Alright, the second tab refused to open. However, I trust that you guys will try out these 3 methods to find out basically, or to find the items that you're looking for. Remember, you can use the name of the item, you can use parts of the description, or you can use the manufacturer part number, the UPC code, and so forth in order to find the item that you're looking for. Alright, test this out, tell me what you think, comment, and just let me know basically if it worked or not. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.